Hey there, so this is the Vizio Crave 360 Smartcast multi-room wireless speaker. So I got this at Costco for $130. This is basically BJ's or Sam's Club, but with different deals. So as we're talking about this, I'm going to cut it open. So basically, well, cut it open as in open up the box. So basically, I saw this for a while ago, and I've always wanted one. So here I am. It's Wi-Fi, 360 omnidirectional sound, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi streaming, up to 8 hours of battery life, wireless charging, base integrated subwoofer product, bass as low as 50 hertz, glass touch dial, tap to play pause, swipe to skip, twist to adjust volume, satin aluminum finish, and leather carrying strap. So Vizio Crave speaker can output audio from TV's displays or connect as an additional channel to an existing bar system. So basically, it requires an app, has Chromecast built in, has Vizio Smartcast, so you can Smartcast stuff to it. What else? Multi-room capable, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 95 decibel sound pressure level. Basically, that's it. And there's on the bottom too, of course. Here we go. So this is the speaker. It flips like this. It's an interesting box. Voila. Oh, fresh smell of those things. So, important Wi-Fi pairing, Bluetooth pairing. So the speaker is off. The power on. Okay. Oh my God. This is big, heavy, and hello there. So here is the wireless charging base. This is the mesh, and then the speaker, and then the twisty thingy, and then the touch stop and all that. Swipe, glass, touch panel. I have something fancy here, so we'll pull this off. So what we got underneath here now is just quick start guide and the power bricks. So what I will do now is unplug my phone and plug this thing in because I need charge. And this one, it just has a button or a light, whatever. It doesn't even need a matter. So here is the speaker. It's just like this. Now, what it says, quick start guide. So there is a button on the bottom, as you can see, white. Oh, it's pulsing. Speaker is starting up. So I need to download the Smartcast app over here. Let's go to the Play Store. Smartcast. So this is the app. Literally just download it. It's 3.2, but it doesn't matter 3.2 or not. It has to be it. So you just click open. This is compatible with 5 gigahertz and 3 gigahertz. And I can see right here, twisty, skip. Whoops, it crashed on me. Set up a new device, allow, get started. English United States, English Mexico. Okay, no internet, I don't care. I'm going to pair with AudioCast 1640. Wow, just from hearing that, the bass, holy garbage, the bass. I can turn it up, I can turn it down. Now what I am going to do though is peel off this. Okay, so there was an issue with the recording, so the audio review part of it messed up, I don't know. But let's talk about around this device. So around this device there is that touch display. Now it is synced up, so you have to make sure to swipe that way for next and that way for back compared to this, and this is just volume up and down rocker. Then there is this cool metal and that mesh, really premium. The Vizio logo there, I don't mind that it's there. And then there's this multi-function button where you can press it to turn it on and off, and then you can tap and hold to do Bluetooth. Then there is a USB port, which only takes .wav, WAV files, not MP3 or anything. Not iTunes files, and there is this Ethernet port, which allows you to connect straight to the internet And then down the bottom, there's your regulatory information. And then this charging pin, which, as if you can see over here, it pushes this down. And then there is just this over here. I don't know what this button does. And that's it. This is rubberized over here. It plugs in, and I do need to charge this. Also, the app isn't the best. It's just there to set up your speaker to allow it to do multi-room audio and stuff. And that's that part of it. And now I have Beats loaded up here. Let me go right over here. I turned up the bass to +3 over here because, well, +3 is good for me. It's a little bit heavier. I like heavier bass. Ooh-wee. That bass is crazy. Holy. My table is shaking. +3 doesn't even turn it up that high. Just whoa, that bass. I hope it's coming in on your end, on your guys' end clear, because whoa. Let's check out some bass boosted stuff. Oh, I can't get over this bass. CJ Beats. Here we go. This bass is just crazy. Those highs and those lows, I just can't get over those highs and lows to this song. It's just, I wouldn't say it's the, you're okay. I wouldn't say it's the craziest thing out there in terms of how much highs and lows there are. This isn't completely audiophile, but if you want a high upgrade, 100%, I am in love with this. Here. Let's take some EDM over here. This on this thing sounds so good right now. I love the sound of this.
Police officer gets out and looks at me and says, "Sir, do you have a gun in your car?"
I can't get over listening to music on this thing. It sounds so good. You guys have to pick one of these up if you're interested in an audio multi-room cast boffer thingy. I am in love with mine. It is beautiful, great, awesome device. Definitely pick one up if you are interested in one of these. I love mine. Shut up, audio prompts. There's no way to turn you off. I don't care. I like the sound of those. But I am in love with this thing. Pick one up. Links to this will be down below. I'll try to find it on Amazon wherever it's available. Links will be down below. Pick one up. New, used, good condition, perfect condition, whatever. It's awesome. Pick one up today. I hope you did enjoy this video because I know I did, so drop a thumbs up if you liked the way this video was made. Also, please rate, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and as always, enjoy the rest of your day.